Tesla has begun selling homes for $10,000 each. Elon Musk, with his billion-dollar fortune, has introduced the Tesla Home, a fully furnished residence. To set an example, he sold his own $50 million mansion and moved into the first Tesla home. These homes are box-shaped and manufactured in parts at a factory, then transported by truck and assembled within 2 days. They come with a standard layout of 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. The walls of Tesla homes are made from sustainable, eco-friendly materials, which are fireproof, mold-resistant, and capable of withstanding hurricanes, while also being durable. Moreover, the roof is equipped with solar panels, which not only power the house, but also store excess energy in a power wall. There's also a rainwater collection and filtration system for water storage. One of the key selling points is energy efficiency and environmental friendliness. These homes can connect to the Tesla Home app, allowing users to monitor their house's usage in real time and remotely control all devices within the home. Each house also comes with a Tesla supercharger socket. An interesting feature is the mobility of these homes. If you decide to move, you don't need to pack up appliances or luggage. You can simply tow the house away with a car. Tesla homes are built with the most advanced materials and technology, ensuring safety and sustainability while fulfilling all residential needs. The question is, would you be willing to spend $10,000 on such a house?